Yes. Detail. My gosh! Morissette, grabe. Dinugtungan pa. Key change. Wait. Hello guys, hello Philippines, Southeast Asia, fans of Morissette, Amon, and Regine Velasquez. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Nephi, band vocalist and YouTube actor from the Philippines. Today, my gosh, ang taas ng energy ko at ako'y magtatagalog dahil ang mga viewers nito sa video na to are gonna be Filipinos anyway. And I'm very excited because there's this collaboration of two queens. Younger generation and you know, the generation of Regine Velasquez. They're both queens in their own ways, and I could not, like, you know, this is a great song to begin with. You know, this is the song originally by Regine, Gusto Ko Nang Bumitaw, and they have this duet in ASAP. Are you kidding me? This is gonna be bomb, guys, and I couldn't wait to watch it. A lot of you guys are requesting for me to react to this ASAP, and I totally understand because this is something to look out for. Regine Velasquez ba naman and Morissette Amon with this Halimaw song. There was this reaction from me when Morissette sang this in Wish, and I was saying na na parang si Morissette lang ang kayang kumanta ng song na to na ganitong intensity. So we'll see how Regine Velasquez, the queen of Philippine music industry, is gonna slay this song along with the Phoenix. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's go check this out. Shout out pala kay Mama Bae, kay best friend ko Pat, kay Katalea, kay Allen, magpagaling ka Allen, and Jin. And of course, sa labidubs ko dyan, baby. Ayan, let's go! Shout out to Wow Grabe YouTube channel. Thank you for this video. Whoa, they're wearing yellow and gold.
Walang tinig na naririnig, nakikipaglaban sa tikman na talo na.
Wait, gusto ko yung pasok niya. Biglang biglang nahigop kagad yung emosyon eh. And then that syllable sa sa nakikipaglaban, yung la, may vibrato, it's so Regine talaga. You know, you can just tell na may control talaga siya. At her age, grabe, hindi natitinag, queen. Oh my gosh. Parang umiyak yung boses niya. Storytelling, yes, queen. Parang recorded yung boses ni Morissette. Dang. And she's so pretty. Silang dalawa actually. Nice. Wait. Gusto ko lang sabihin talaga to, nakakalimutan ko kasi palagi eh. Yung diction niya, dib-dib, yung ganon, yung parang iba yung pagka-pronounce niya kumpara dun sa normal. Which is actually setting her apart sa ibang singers. Hindi siya maling pronunciation, pero iba yung atake niya. Dib-dib. Basta marami siyang ginagawa dito na ganyan din yung estilo. And I love it. Ay, iba siya. And mas may emphasis yung pagkabigkas ng mga words dito. So, gusto ko tong song na to sa kanya talaga. Wow! Storytelling also. Wow. Wait! Oh my gosh! Regine just did it as well. Gusto ko naging ganon. Hindi naman siya kagaya ng normal lang na gusto ko nang yung to. Yung may diin siyang kakaiba. Paano ko pa sabihin? Iba yung diin niya doon. My goodness, love it. Okay, sorry guys. Ulitin ko na lang mamaya like the whole video na walang pause. Harmony. Nice. Head tones Regine done. Here comes the growls. High note, yes. Wait, oh my gosh. It's her style talaga. The squeaks and yung technique na ganon is so Morissette talaga. We'll see how Regine is gonna, gonna do her thing with this high note in here. It's her own technique. Oh, dang, wait. Hindi sila masyadong ganado dito bumirit, ah. F sharp 5 lang naman yun, guys. Ganon-ganon lang sa kanilang dalawa. Parang wala lang. Sobrang pulido yung pagtapon ni Regine dito. Sarili niyang technique, hindi siya gumaya kay Morissette na nagsa-slide-slide yung may squeak effect. And I love it, they're both queens in their own ways. And yung collaboration na to is gonna be something special talaga. Yes. Detail. Harmony. Oh my gosh! Morissette, grabe. Dinugtungan pa. Key change. Wait. Sobrang taas na. E5 yung tau doon. Grabe. Nag-key change sila dito. And grabe yung power. Love it. So Regine. Grabe yun! Ang smooth ng ng step up ng note doon. Sagutan sila. Oh my gosh! Wow! Nakakatuwa, no, na parang nag-celebrate sila kasi ganun guys, pag magaling ka, like in the case of Regine Velasquez, of course we know that she's already queen, pero hindi siya insecure sa mga bagong singers na magagaling. Taliwas sa mga sinasabi ng iba. Actually, sinusupport pa nga niya. She was like fangirling for some reason. Nagsa-celebrate siya doon. Nakakatuwa na ganito yung attitude ng mga singers natin sa Pilipinas. So, thank you guys. Wow. Good example yan sa lahat. And as promised, I will be listening to this performance once again, watching the video without any pause, and I will try not to speak. Siguro konti-konti lang para reaction video naman to eh. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Umiiyak gabi-gabi, walang tinig na naririnig, nakikipaglaban sa tikman na talo na. Hanggang kailan talo na, pagod na. Akala ko ika'y sa akin pa, pero hindi na pala. Wala na nga ba talaga? Naglalag ka lang sa kadilim, naliligaw, nalilito. Ano nga ba ako sa'yo? Sino nga ba ako sa'yo? Dito sa aking pagkakahimlay, sa dibdib ko ay parang may nagkadagang walang kasing lungkot, walang kasing sakit. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban ang sarili, sino bang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba, ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Gusto ko nang bumitaw.
Grabe yung buka! Oh my goodness, yung placement din. sustained it.
Pipili ko na sarili.
F sharp 5.
Bibitaw, bibitaw na.
Love that! Oh my god! Their expression at the end, like, you know, it was like, finally, we did it. I mean, like, you know, that was so good. Super, orgasm, yung, belting na hindi masakit, tama yung technique, powerful. Kasi minsan yung iba, may misconception na kailangan pag birit hindi daw masakit sa tenga. Pero hindi naman sinasabi na walang power. Kasi obviously yung walang power na belt, hindi naman talaga sasakit yung tenga mo kasi wala kang puwersa. So dito saktong-sakto lang, may power pa rin pero hindi masakit sa tenga. Tamang-tama, tamang timpla, of course, from the Queens. Songbird and Phoenix ba naman ang kakanta ng song na to. So great job, guys. Thank you so much for making my day and for bringing great music talaga. Nakakatuwa. Wow, thank you so much din sa lahat na nag-request sa akin na mag-react dito. Alam ko medyo late tayo. This was yesterday and Monday na ngayon. Pero better late than never. And let's hope na hindi ito ma-block ng ABS-CBN. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you got more, just let me know in the comment section. You can also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, TikTok for all of you. Description box right down below. And if you like this video reaction, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe because it really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see all of you in my next videos. Bye.